Welcome to Rapid Tech Stories. Aren't you tired of remembering passwords? Fear not, technology behemoth Google has added a new function for Chrome users. Following a testing phase in October, Google has this week made passkeys accessible to Chrome users. In our digital lives, passwords are generally the first line of security. They could, however, be phished, exposed in data breaches, or even suffer from bad password hygiene. Google has long been aware of these problems. Passkeys eliminate these weaknesses. Passkeys are a far safer alternative to passwords and other phishable forms of authentication. Before we dive more in depth, please like the video as it helps with YouTube reach and subscribe to our channel for more such exciting tech updates. These work on similar concept with public key cryptography, with one main difference: that the passkeys are common phrases that are easy to remember instead of random cryptographic keys. This is common in tech companies where cryptographic keys like this are used for secure access to private systems without needing to fill passwords everywhere. The user's device is given a special key called the passkey or private key. The server also maintains a second key known as the public key. The two cooperate to enable user authentication for compatible websites and applications. Think of this as an ID card whenever you go to a supported service. Instead of entering a tedious password, you can authenticate by just swiping the ID card. That would be really simple. So, when you log into a supported service, even on your desktop or laptop, you should be able to use passkeys from your mobile devices. Using this method of signing in prevents your passkey from leaving your mobile device. Unlike a password, nothing is shared with the site other than a securely generated code, therefore there is nothing that may be disclosed. Passkey support has been introduced by a variety of additional businesses and applications, including 1Password, PayPal, Microsoft, eBay, and more. The most recent update to Google Chrome now includes passkey functionality. Kurt Knight, Apple's director of platform product marketing, stated in an interview earlier in August, "This isn't a future dream to replace passwords. This is something that's going to be a road to completely replace passwords, and it's starting now." Well, that's all for today. Leave a comment to let us know what you think, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Thanks.